Within a population of bears, 540 out of 3,000 have the recessive trait of black fur color. In the next generation of this population, 700 out of 3,300 are black, so also recessive. Calculate the difference in the dominant allele frequency between the first generation to the second generation. So they are asking us to find the difference, which means we subtract P2, the dominant allele of the second generation, minus the dominant allele of the first generation. So let's start here with our Q squared value, our recessive trait. Q squared is 540 out of 3,000, which is 0.18. Q is the square root of 0.18, which is 0.4243. P is 1 minus Q, so 1 minus 0.4243, which is 0.5757. Let's do the same steps for the second generation. Q squared is 700 out of 3,300, which is 0.2121. Q is the square root of Q squared, which is 0.4606. P is 1 minus Q, which is 0.5394. We are almost there. Now we need to subtract P of our second generation, so P2 minus P1, so 0.5394 minus 0.5757, and that is a difference of negative 0.0363. And we'll check how we are asked to answer. We need to record your answer. There's a value between 0 and 1 rounded to 2 decimal places. So we have to round this, and the final answer is negative 0.04. The negative sign means that the frequency went down, which means that there has been evolution.